Hey everyone, just thought I'd come out and do a bit of an update on what's going on with the cars and the brand at the moment. It's been a bit crazy here in Melbourne. I can't even technically leave my house unless I'm getting food or similar things to that, so haven't been able to really make any content, so it's been a bit slow lately. Kind of been showing you guys some older stuff that we didn't share or different bits and pieces of what's going on, but we've got some really exciting stuff coming up soon. We've got some really cool cars we're going to be featuring, which is still secret, so you'll hear about them soon enough. But thought I'd come out here and show you what's happening with this. Here's my FC. It's looking a bit sad and dusty. As you can see, it's a bit empty in here. I've been cleaning it up a bit. All this was absolutely caked in grease, so there's a few little leaks and stuff I've been cleaning up and everything, but the main thing is over here. As you can see, it's all a bit messy at the moment, but the problem I'm having at the moment is getting parts. Everything's been pretty slow, but finally got this back, which is a big piece. So that's super exciting. Here's my 13B Turbo Series 5 with the big turbo from factory. Everything's been upgraded. It's been down at we've tuned by Peter for a couple months, and he's fully rebuilt the motor and cleaned it all up. So everything's been painted and all neatened up, so it's really exciting. We've got a new twin pulley on here from Bunzai Racing. He's gone over the wiring and cleaned it up, and he's also deleted a few systems that aren't needed anymore. See a couple block off plates here. So it's going to be really good, should be running good. The issue that I had with it was that it actually, the coolant seals on the front chamber had just deteriorated from age. So pretty much had to go to a full rebuild, and basically I wanted to clean it up as well. So everything's been replaced, freshened up. Some things have been deleted that don't need to be used anymore. So that's super exciting. It's done a nice clean up street port on it. It had a real dodgy port in it. So everything was all done by hand and fairly wonky by someone in the past. So that's been all cleaned up. So should be coming on boosts pretty hard. But yeah, just waiting on some parts, and that'll be going in soon. Gearbox and a few other bits over there, and junk everywhere at the moment. I guess another little update that no one's seen yet is my new roll cage. So I've got a half cage from AGI up in Sydney. So that'll be going in soon with some help from someone you'll probably see soon enough. A feature car owner. Yeah, I've got a few other little bits and pieces I've been working on. I've got a new hatch, so might be putting that on soon. It's got no rust in it. That one has a little rust spot. Everything else at the moment's pretty much the same, apart from this. So sorry it's a bit windy, but I've actually bought a new daily, sold the Crown, and just picked up this. It's a 98 GS300 from Lexus or Toyota. So it's pretty clean, basically grandpa spec. Haven't done much. I've put a eye-to-eye banner on it in the flat black, which come up really nice just for a nice street car. I removed the Euro plate holder and I made some plugs here and painted them with some touch-up paint just to clean up the front bumper, because I really hate those Euro plate holders, so I got rid of that. And then yeah, just been cleaning it up a little bit. Nothing too much yet. Mostly focused on the FC, so trying to get that done first. But yeah, it's a nice rig, pulls all right. Just stock inside. Another random thing, if you didn't know, in Melbourne we're actually having to wear masks if we leave the house. Even if I want to walk down the street, I have to put on a mask. It's got my hand sanitizer. Then I actually have to have paperwork to go to work, so I don't get pulled over and get fined a ridiculous amount. 2J, no shit. It's pretty stock VVTi. Should have some pretty nice tubes on there. It's pretty clean, so I'm pretty happy with it. Drives nice, pulls pretty good. So yeah, I might move some of this junk out of the way and take some beauty shots so you guys can get a better idea of what's happening with the motor and the chassis. So yeah, I might post some of them up in this video, get it a little bit cleaned up. So I got to say thanks to Selena and Dean for the engine crane. It's helped me out a lot. Here's my flywheel. It's just been machined by Brakes and More in Langwarrin. So it's come out super nice. They did a really good job of that. The gearbox and the alloy radiator. One of my seats, obviously out of the carb because I was test fitting the roll cage. So exhaust has to be cleaned up as well when I get some welding done. So gonna remove this pipe as it's not used anymore. I've got the guard out, so I've got to take the other one out and keep doing a few more little bits and pieces, but it's finally coming together, so excited to get this thing in.
Outsiders, outliers, big shots and the women they got, blurry visions and slurring your words, been spinning dizzy so you don't get too hot. Memories and moments that fly by too fast.
Also the other day we put on a flash sale, so I've actually put the last of these hoodies up on 40% off, so grab yourself one of them. They're super nice. It's got the ETI embroidery on the front and then Premium Car Culture under the hood, so you can snap up one of them. I think there's only 3 left in small and medium, so if you're quick enough you can grab one of them, or else I put beanies up as well, but they're already gone. So just make sure you're following us on our pages and you might see some random deals and sales like that.
A troubled youth and a social outcast. Walk away, now conceal the past. A revival breaking